Hey everyone. I think I missed a month on my how to get the dev job uh, videos, and so this is my most recent one. Um, and so this one is actually about uh, doing community projects. So open source stuff with other people, pretty much in general, building projects out. Um, I've just completed, like literally right before this, one project with a friend, and it was just me and him, so it was a two-person project. And essentially it was his first like step into building a complex front end React project. And so I gave him a lot of responsibilities. I had responsibilities. I wrote him up. I wrote him tickets. We used a Kanban board on GitHub. We had a bunch of issues that we solved. We did all the things. And so he got to go through the agile process. We did stand-ups. We would talk about what we wanted to accomplish the next week and all that stuff. He got to see how to build a project like that. He got to practice using Git a lot. Um, he now has I told him to leave notes in there for himself, so now he has reference material whenever he's building out his own projects later. It was so good for me and him to build that together. And honestly, I learned a bunch of stuff too, because it reinforced a lot of concepts for me. So I also had to learn how to manage a GitHub, a Kanban board, a GitHub repo with multiple people. Like I had to establish processes and or processes and have like an architecture that we were going to use. Anyway, so there's a lot of stuff. It was good for me and for him. But if you are an upcoming developer and you're looking to get a job, I'm telling you, doing these projects with other people is probably one of the best things you can do. Building projects is great and show people what you can do, but like on the job, you're going to be building with other people. You need to make sure that you always do a git pull before you create a new branch, and that you don't have merge conflicts and how to handle that, and like how to work on something that other people are working on at that time, like at that moment, and how to deal with it. Um, and then how to communicate about that, and just how to work on a project together at the same time. Like it's so important. And that's what I've noticed. Like we're doing cohorts now with Free Code Camp, and that's one of the big things I've noticed that is like helping a ton of people is like their Git foo, as some people call it, is like so much better than mine was when I got started, because I didn't have that much experience doing projects like this with other people. And so I got in, and I was like, I just didn't know enough, like, and I was just struggled. And I know a lot now, and I feel pretty confident now. I got a good handle on it, but man, I did not get it for a while. And I highly recommend being a part of some sort of group project with other people. If you are watching this video and you're not part of our Free Code Camp Discord, feel free to comment or reach out to me personally or whatever, and I will get you involved. We're running cohorts right now until March 24th. And I'm in a cohort now. So I finished that group project with my friend. Now I'm doing a cohort. I'm actually writing the backend for it, which is super cool. I'm using Nest.js. And so I'm going through and building things on the back end for them to, like an API on the back end for them to use. And it's so cool. Like I'm learning a ton of stuff. I'm also helping them, like by mentoring them on how to use Git and how to, the process that they should go through. I'm helping with architecture on the back end and the front end, kind of how we're organizing our files and how everything is supposed to be, like naming conventions, design stuff. Like I'm getting to do all kinds of stuff. And so I'm getting a lot of good experience and good work put in, but I'm also helping other people. And, I'm the only one with an actual engineering job at this point. But like, even for me, it's helping me a ton. So I can't recommend it enough. Maybe an open source project with like 30 people is too much, but like a little group like this, just 4 or 5 people who can all meet together every once in a while and talk about their ideas and kind of come together on a project, do it. It is so helpful, I promise. So anyway, like I said, if you're interested, we have our cohorts. This one that's running right now will be over March 24th. and we'll start a new one that'll last another month and a half. We always have new people jumping in. We have about 20 people signed up right now. And so for the next one, we'll have more cohorts, and we're always doing new projects and building out new things. There's a mentor, so you don't have to worry if you don't know anything or if you only know a little bit. Or if you want to be a mentor, that's an option too. But anyway, so check it out. Let me know if I can help with anything. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever you feel inclined to do. But hopefully this helps somebody out there. I really think you should take the time to participate in a community project, with some other people building something out. Doesn't matter what it is. I mean, right now we're building a budget app, but somebody else built a restaurant app last time, and somebody else before that built a TV app. Like, you could look for TVs and movies and stuff. That was it. Doesn't have to change the world. It just needs to teach you, and you just need to be a part of it, part of something. Cool. All right. Well, thanks again for checking out this video, and stay tuned. I think it'll be another month before the next one, unless I forget again. Sorry. Cool. Thanks again for checking it out. Bye.